My name is Zihao Wang. I work in the same group with Huang for the homework question. For this one, first of all, we need to figure out the lifetime fees. And this is the fees for each of the months, each of the year. We sum it up, we get this number, and then we subtract it from the committed capital and get the final number of 157.5 million. First, we need to assume that management fee need to be calculated after the realization of the investment each year. And based on this assumption, we calculated the management fee for each year. Here's the calculation. We sum it up, we get 136 million for the lifetime fee. And then we subtract it from the committed capital and get the final number of invested capital. For the third question, the first part is focused on the committed capital. So we get this one for the carried interest. However, for the second part, the basis is on the investment capital. So we need to subtract another 50 million management fee to get the carried interest, which is the final.
This is Huang, and for the question 3.1, here's the spreadsheet. And based on this data, we got the gross returns for each of the years, and the net returns, gross compounded return, net compounded return, gross annualized return, and net annualized returns. The questions here are the equations for the value multiple, the realized value multiple, and the unrealized value multiples. And to get these numbers, we have to calculate the cumulative new investment and cumulative manager fees. And based on these two, we got the answers for year 1 through year 10. And for the IRR, here is the cash flow for each of the years, and here's the equation about how we got the IRR. And by plotting all the IRRs into one graph, and here's what we got, and you can see since the return is negative in the second year and then increase a lot in the later years, we think this is an example of J-curve.